A 2.7% growth is expected for Dogecoin tomorrow, 30 rates shows. To start off, here's where the market currently stands. At the time of this update, Dogecoin is down 1.9% in the last 24 hours and trading near $0.09477. Now it's time for the analysts' takes. 30 rates believes tomorrow's move could bring us to $0.0973, marking a price gain near 2.7%. Coin price forecast expects Dogecoin could approach $0.096, an estimated move higher of 1.3%. CoinCodex notes it might be on track for $0.09539, implying a gain of 0.7%. A different forecast from CoinDataFlow highlights the possibility of Dogecoin dipping to $0.09366, marking a decline of 1.1%. And to wrap up, Crypto Predictions highlights a drop to $0.08702 by March 15, 8.2% below the current level. This is the most profitable opportunity we've covered. You've seen 5 opinions for tomorrow. Let's take the next step. Let's break down each prediction into potential outcomes. From all the predictions combined, the likely market shift sits between a decline of 8.2% and an increase of 2.7%, depending on the analyst. In short, Crypto Predictions comes out ahead with 8.2% surge in value by tomorrow. Therefore, you could receive between $7 and $82 for every $1,000 you invest. Based on probabilities, CoinCodex has delivered the most reliable forecast with a 95.3% chance of success. By collecting the forecast side by side, I've drawn a consolidated consensus outlook. Consensus projections indicate Dogecoin could trade near $0.09387 after a 0.9% fall. Alright, let's unpack this. The consensus projection suggests a downward move of 0.9%. As a result, your capital might also rise by roughly 0.9%. On a 1,000 position, that would be about $9 gained. So the probability of this consensus forecast being realized sits near 94.8%. At this point in the analysis, let's review the 3-day forecasts. The forecast from 30 rates points to a push higher for Dogecoin. The direction similarly noted by Coin Price Forecast is clearly upward. A bearish forecast is made by CoinCodex expecting losses. A bearish outlook is meanwhile projected by CoinDataFlow, pointing to a decline. Additionally, Crypto Predictions believes the chart points to a decline. The consensus forecast presents Dogecoin on a declining path in the near term. In short, most analysts suggest Dogecoin is likely to tilt lower. 2 days back, 5 forecasts targeted the next day. That day has passed, so we can now evaluate them. As a result, the session closed at $0.09599. In this round, most forecasts aligned with the actual market move. From an accuracy standpoint, CoinDataFlow was the closest. Let's zoom in on the individual results. Only one analyst's outlook aligned with the trading range. As far as ROI is concerned, several analysts stayed in profit, but CoinDataFlow took the lead. Now on screen is the summary table, all results together in one view. Looking at the verified numbers, CoinDataFlow showed 4.5% ROI and accuracy. Check the table and see whose forecasts align best with the real outcome. Now let's see how the predicted profitability for tomorrow varies between Dogecoin and other assets. Tomorrow's projection puts Dogecoin in second place, while XRP records 1% in expected performance. Currently, Dogecoin is matched with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability view and full analyst statistics will soon be shared on my website and Telegram. Before you leave, show some love with a like and subscribe if you enjoy daily analyst comparisons like this. Catch you in the next analysis.